How to fix your Uber promo code not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. I've listed all the common reasons here, and we're going to be looking at all the ways you can fix the problem. The first thing you want to do is check for typos. Promo codes are case sensitive. Remove any extra spaces. If that is not the case, you want to check the terms and condition and check expiry date. Minimum fare may apply and valid for specific services only. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check your location, because some codes are valid only in certain locations. Ensure that your pickup location qualifies. You want to also meet the minimum fare, because you want to simply go ahead and add more stops or choose a higher value ride in order to go ahead and meet the minimum. And if none of it works, you want to try updating your Uber application or contacting their support team. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.